Hey guys, just checking out the new Skechers shoes that my wife got. This says air cool on the inside and memory foam. That sounds kind of neat. So these are going to be my quick and honest thoughts about the Skechers air cooled memory foam shoes. It looks like that's neat. What? Court Classics. Court Classics is the exact style. I don't know if you can see that or not. All right, so again, these are my wife's, not mine. Not sure if they'll fit or not. But what I like about them so far is the texture feels kind of slick and smooth. I like the vibrancy of that kind of, I think my sister would say that's terracotta, and that nice baby blue there. Goes very nice, it's very simple looking. Tie has got, it's got a good length, it's not too long. I always don't like it when I get a shoe that's too long with tie. Let's see if, I don't know if I can fit it or not, but I'll give it a try. Yeah, it might be a little bit small on the width for me, but let's see. Okay, once it gets in there. Yeah, okay. Well, we have a similar size foot, so it works. Ooh, I like how comfortable that memory foam is. I can really feel like a gel kind of feel. It feels nice to stand in there. It feels like there's some support there. All right. Well, these are some nice Skechers. I am excited about it. I'm excited for my wife to give them a go. And I am sure that you could be excited about them for you as well.